What we believe at JAMP is if they spend quality time in the parliament coming up with programs, coming up with policies that not just impacts their constituents, because when you make policies for all Jamaicans, I think that is where the focus actually needs to be for sustainable change to take place in the lives of Jamaicans. So we track the attendance in the House to make sure that they're showing up for you, and we focus on the committees that deal with the money, oversight of our money. So one of the areas as it relates to the CDF is very simple.
In 30 seconds, Jenny, talk to us about the importance of some of these committees that you're referring to, the money, committees that track money.
You have about 6 committees that do. You have 14 committees in the House, 14, 16, but you have about 7 of them that deal with oversight. And most of us, if it's 10 seconds, think of the Public Accounts Committee. We all know the Auditor General audits government, tell us if there is waste and mismanagement. There is a Public Accounts Committee, of which Mr. Jackson has sat on for a while, that has to read those reports, grill the technocrats to find out what went wrong, why was this wasted, why was there the procurement laws not followed, and to hold the technocrats to account. That is one of the key places, let me make this point, that we can actually save Jamaica money so that the people that MP Jackson is so concerned about can actually have billions more of dollars to help them.